All right, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again to the final segment of today, right here at India InsurTech Summit 2026. Well, I'm sure this is one segment you all are unanimously looking forward to. So, a very warm welcome once again to the final segment. Well, this is not just about deliberations today, but it is also about celebrations where we will celebrate our visionaries, our industry leaders who truly have pushed the boundaries of excellence, the one who are truly changing and transforming the industry, shaping the future of insurance right here. So, we are right here at the final and the most anticipated segment, India InsurTech Awards 2026. Like I said, a platform where we are here to celebrate those who are truly pushing the boundaries of excellence. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as Eleanor Roosevelt has rightly said that the future belongs to those who believe in their beauty of dreams, and we are here to celebrate those dreamers who are really transforming those bold ideas into innovation. So can we have a round of applause to begin with this anticipated and celebratory segment, India InsurTech Awards 2026. Can we put our hands together a little more louder, everyone? Okay, so I think this applause sounds good to me here, but looking at those vibrant faces and the smiles here in the audience, because I know you'll are very excited for this segment. So once again, let me take it from the top. I welcome each one of you to the final and the celebratory segment, India InsurTech Awards 2026. Can we have a louder round of applause to begin with? Thank you so much. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're now about to begin with this very segment. But before we do that, once again, I'd like to begin by asking you all the most quintessential question. Are we all ready to commence with the awards? Are we all excited? I think only the front tables are responding right now. I know it's been a very long day, but we promise you all that this is going to be another very quick and a fantastic celebratory segment for all of you. So once again, are we all ready to commence the award ceremony? Can I see some show of hands? Up in the air, everyone. Are we ready? Come on, everyone. Let's respond a little more louder. Are we all ready? Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of Digital Fifth to IIS 2026 Awards that brings it together all our leaders, innovators who are truly shaping the future of insurance. Well, India InsurTech Summit that is organized by Digital Fifth has brought together some of the most influential voices and institutions across the insurance and insurtech industry. I must say that is where the conversation, insights, and collaboration witnessed here continue to strengthen the direction and momentum of India's insurance services ecosystem. And this evening, we have gathered here to celebrate that excellence across very ecosystem. The IIS 2026 Awards brings together 6 distinguished award categories with over 200 nominees that we received across segments representing institutional excellence, AI-driven innovation across the insurance landscape. And I must say that each nominee right here reflects the measurable impact, the strong execution, and a commitment to building a more resilient, inclusive, and future-ready insurance ecosystem. Before we begin, we'd also like to take a moment and thank our partners, our awards partner, TransLink Dorian Mode Technology, for their valued support in making this celebration, this awards evening possible for all of us. Before we move forward, let me quickly take you all through the flow of this evening. We'll be recognizing excellence in 6 broad categories. We have a Best InsurTech Player of the Year, followed by Best Digital First Insurance Company. We'll also be recognizing Best Embedded Insurance Solution. Next up, our category is Claims Excellence Award, the Best Use of AI in Insurance, and Best Use of AI in InsurTech. Well, each category right here, ladies and gentlemen, this evening will feature a second runner-up, first runner-up winner, and a jury award. Yes, we do have a jury award as well, where 2 organizations have received the same position. They will be recognized as joint recipients. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the front line. Welcome to India InsurTech Awards 2026. Let the celebrations begin from here. And with that, we'll now begin with the very first category, which is the Best InsurTech Player of the Year, where this category truly celebrates the bold innovators' transformation, how insurance is imagined, distributed, and experienced with technology. I must say that this award recognizes an organization that has combined strong execution, scalable innovation, and meaningful impact across the insurance system. But before we move forward to the awards, I'd like to invite our presenters to do the honors. May I please invite on stage Mr. Gaurav Kumar, founder and CEO, Dorian More Technologies, to join us. Also inviting Mr. Joydeep Datta and Mr. Samir Singh Jaini, founder and CEO, The Digital Fifth, to join us as the presenters for the very first category, Best InsurTech Player of the Year. Check. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the house rule before we begin with the awards is that we need to applaud for all our winners who will be walking up on stage. Let us recognize them together as a community, right? So we need to keep that energy up in the air for all our winners who will be joining us on stage. With that, we begin with the very first category this evening, which is Best InsurTech Player of the Year. We have our presenters right here. The stage is set. So presenters on stage, are we ready? Okay, to all our delegates, all our people, are we ready? Okay, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the recognition with an organization that has made a strong and noteworthy impact in this category. A second runner-up position, this position is jointly awarded to two organizations. The joint second runner-up recipient, ladies and gentlemen, goes to none other than Insurance Samadhan. Let's put our hands together as we invite on stage Deepak Bhuvneshwari, Uniworld co-founder and CEO, representing Insurance Samadhan, to kindly join us and receive this honor. Come on, we need to keep the energy up in the air. It is the most celebratory segment of this evening. Many, many congratulations to the team of Insurance Samadhan. Well, let us take the center stage and let's click a fantastic picture together right there. Many congratulations. With that, we move forward to our second recipient in the second runner-up position. Ladies and gentlemen, it's none other than put your hands together for Team PESCare, and we invite Chetan Paliwal, Vice President, and Shashwat Bharadwaj, Commercial Insurance Manager, representing PESCare, to join us and receive the honors. Do we have the team of PESCare in the room? Okay, we'll move forward to that award a little later. Let's then move forward to the first runner-up joining us on stage. Please put your hands together. Emerging as the first runner-up, it goes to none other than Road Zen. Let's put our hands together for them. And we invite Arvind Verma, CEO of Vehicle Care, Road Zen, and Mr. Pankaj Taryal, Director, Sales and BD, to join us and receive this honor, emerging as the first runner-up of Best InsurTech Player of the Year. Many, many congratulations. We do see a lot of work, a lot of hard work that's truly put in that makes them emerge as the winners this evening. Many congratulations. I must say your dedication has truly won you on this award. Congratulations. With that, we now move forward to announcing the winner this evening of the Best InsurTech Player of the Year, and is none other than, put your hands together for Valuable. And I invite Mithil Sechpal, co-founder Valuable, and Satprem Mohanty, co-founder Valuable, to join us on stage and receive the honors. Can we have some louder round of applause, everyone? Let's keep the spirit intact this evening. I must say, a remarkable achievement worth celebrating. Many, many congratulations. A resounding success indeed. Heartiest congratulations on that outstanding achievement. Well, I must say, it is the vision, it is the execution that is truly setting an inspiring benchmark for the InsurTech ecosystem. Congratulations. With that, we now move forward to the special jury award for this very category. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes to none other than the organization HEF. So please put your hands together. Joining us is Heath Rathod, Product Head at HEF, to join us to receive the Special Jury Award. Can we have a louder round of applause? Come on, everyone. A celebratory evening indeed. Our winner all suited up, walking on stage. Congratulations. Many congratulations on this recognition from our distinguished jury members. Thank you so much, and thank you to our presenters for doing the honors. Thank you to our presenters on stage for doing the honors and joining us in. We'll move forward to the next category. Before we do that, thank you so very much, Samir sir, and the dignitaries on stage for doing the honors for us. You all may now take a seat in the audience, please. Thank you. Yes, sir, you all can take a seat. We'll move forward to the next category in the meantime. Yes, thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our next very category this evening celebrates an insurance company that has placed digital thinking at the very heart of its business. From intuitive customer journeys to faster service and smarter operations, this honor recognizes an organization making insurance simpler, quicker, and more accessible. We are moving forward to our next category, which is Best Digital First Insurance Company. And to do the honors, first up, I'd like to invite on stage Akanksha Chaudhary, co-founder and CFO, Dorian Moore Technologies, to join us. Let's put our hands together. Also inviting Mr. Venkatesh R to join us as well. May I also please invite Mr. Shashank Shekhar, co-founder and head of consulting, the Digital Fifth, to join us on stage. Well, you all are going to be the next very presenters for our categories, Best Digital First Insurance Company. The stage is set. We have Mr. Shashank joining us in. We begin with announcing the second runner-up in this category. The recognition with an organization that has made a strong and noteworthy impact in this category. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for IndusInd Nippon Life Insurance Company Limited, and inviting on stage Mr. Prasad Davande, Assistant Vice President, representing IndusInd Nippon Life Insurance, to kindly join us on stage along with the team to receive the honors, emerging as the second runner-up in Best Digital First Insurance Company. Well, this recognition on stage truly reflects your outstanding work and commitment. So many congratulations to the team of IndusInd Nippon Life Insurance. Well, up next, we move forward to announcing the first runner-up. Let's continue this momentum as we recognize our first runner-up. Put your hands together for Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited. And let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Joining us is Piyush Kumar Sharma, Regional Business Manager, and Pankita Srivastav, Deputy General Manager, Distribution Strategy, and Rahul Kumar Rai, Head Group Term and Strategy, representing Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited. Come on, everyone. The energy is so palpitating. I can't believe it. Let's give it up for our winners walking up on stage. Congratulations. Well, this recognition truly speaks volumes about the work they've put in. So congratulations once again. The first runner-up right here, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited. Many, many congratulations. With that, the moment has now arrived we've been waiting for. That is the highest honor in this category. The winner of Best Digital First Insurance. Please put your hands together as we recognize Go Digit General Insurance Limited. Let's put our hands together as we invite Anand Mohan Raj, Senior Executive, API Integration, Go Digit General Insurance Limited, to please join us and receive these very honors. Well, many, many congratulations. Can we have a resounding applause once again, ladies and gentlemen? Heartiest congratulations on leading the digital transformation with purpose and creating insurance experiences. With that, we now move forward to our next category this evening, which is Best Embedded Insurance Solution. But firstly, we'd like to thank our presenters for joining us here. Thank you so very much. So, but I request Ms. Anjana Rao, if she's here in room, to join us. But I request Ms. Akansha to please stay back with us because you're going to be the presenter for the next set of awards. If we have Ms. Anjana Rao in room. Okay, we'll move forward to the next category, which is Best Embedded Insurance Solutions. We begin with announcing the second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. The second runner-up in this very category goes to Bima Pay Finsure Private Limited. And I invite on stage Ashima Arora, AVP Partnership and Alliances, representing Bima Pay Finsure Private Limited, to join us to receive this honor. Come on everyone, let's give it up for Bima Pay Finsure Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to the team on this well-deserved recognition. A celebratory evening indeed, many congratulations. Up next, we now move forward to announcing the first runner-up for Best Embedded Insurance Solution. And it goes to none other than FameScore, that is FinA GG. Please put your hands together as I invite Mr. Alok Kedia, partner FameScore, to join us and receive the award, emerging as the first runner-up for Best Embedded Insurance Solution. Do we have Mr. Alok Kedia in room? Yes, he's right here joining us. FameScore emerging as the first runner-up. Come on everyone, let's put our hands together. Congratulations. A massive success indeed. Congratulations on that well-earned recognition. We now move forward to announcing, ladies and gentlemen, the winner in this very category. And it goes to none other than RoadZen. Let's put our hands together for Team RoadZen joining us in. I invite Mr. Arvind Verma, CEO, Vehicle Care RoadZen. And if we have Mr. Pankaj Tharia, Director, Sales and BD, to join us to kindly receive the honors. Come on everyone, we need to have a resounding round of applause for our winner on stage. Many congratulations. Well, from celebrating one achievement to another, that's where we move forward to our next category. Before we do that, thank you so very much, ma'am, for doing the honors for us. Up next for our next category, Claims Excellence Awards, I'd like to invite first up our presenters, Mr. Sameer Singh Jaini, founder and CEO of the Digital Fifth, to join us. Also inviting on stage Mr. Shashank Shekhar, co-founder and head of consulting the Digital Fifth, to join us as well. May I please invite on stage Mr. Sameer Singh Jaini. You're going to be the presenter for the next category along with Mr. Shashank Shekhar. For Claims Excellence Award, our next category, where claims are the moment when the promise of insurance becomes real. That is where the Claims Excellence Award celebrates an organization that has delivered speed, transparency, empathy, and reliability when customers need support the most. We begin with announcing the second runner-up. Please put your hands together while we begin this recognition with an organization that has made a strong and noteworthy impact. And this position is jointly awarded to two organizations. That is, second runner-up will be given to two organizations. First up, put your hands together for Bajaj General Insurance. And I invite on stage Mr. Parth Rasiwala, Application Engineering Manager, App Development and Automation. I'd also like to invite on stage Ms. Harleen Jeete, Vertical Head Special Projects, representing Bajaj General Insurance, to receive the awards. Can we please have the award on stage for Bajaj General Insurance? The award, please. Come on everyone, let's give it up for our joint recipient, the first recipient right here, the second runner-up, Bajaj General Insurance. Many, many congratulations. A proud accomplishment that speaks volumes. A remarkable success story, I must say. Congratulations. Well, our next recipient in the second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than, put your hands together, for ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited. And I invite on stage our representatives, Doyle Tripathi, Senior Manager, and Jinal Parekh, Senior Manager, to join us from ICICI Prudential Life. Many congratulations once again to the entire team of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, bagging the second runner-up right there. We will quickly move forward to announcing the first runner-up in this very category. Ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up bagging up in the Claims Excellence Awards is none other than Subverse AI. So can I have the team of Subverse AI to please join us on stage to receive the honors? Well, do we have the team of Subverse AI in room? Okay, we'll move forward to announce. We'll come back to that award a little later. Announcing the winner in this very category. Put your hands together is none other than ICICI Lombard. And I invite on stage Gaurav Gupta, Vertical Head, representing ICICI Lombard to join us and receive the honors. Come on everyone, let's give it up for ICICI Lombard emerging as our winner for Claims Excellence Award. Well, the one who have demonstrated exceptional service and strengthening customer trust at the most important moment in the insurance journey. We also have the Special Jury Award in this very category, a recognition for innovation, execution and industry impact. The Jury Award for this category goes to none other than Ethica Insurance Broking Limited. And I'd like to invite the representative from Ethica Insurance, if you're in room, to please join us. Yes. We have the team, our representative from Ethica Insurance Broking Private Limited, emerging as the winner for the Jury Award. Can we have a round of applause, everyone? Let's keep the energy intact right there. Many congratulations. Well, with that, we now move forward to the most dynamic category this evening, which is Best Use of AI in Insurance. Well, this award recognizing an insurer using artificial intelligence responsibly and effectively to strengthen underwriting, claims, and risk assessment. Before we do that, thank you to our presenters. Thank you, Mr. Samir. And thank you, Mr. Shekhar, for joining us as the presenters. I'd like to next up invite on stage Mr. Joydeep Datta and Mr. Venkatesh R to please join us, as you're going to be the presenters for the next category, which is Best Use of AI in Insurance. Okay, so with that, let's begin with the second runner-up in this very category with an organization that has made a strong and noteworthy impact. Put your hands together for ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, emerging as the second runner-up in Best Use of AI in Insurance. I invite Doyle Tripathi, Senior Manager, and Jinal Parekh, Senior Manager from ICICI Prudential, to join us. Yes, do we have the team here? Okay, they're right here joining us. Many congratulations. I think we need to double up our applause. Come on, everyone. Many congratulations to the team emerging as a second runner-up in Best Use of AI in Insurance. Well, the celebrations and the momentum continue, as up next we present to you the first runner-up for Best Use of AI in Insurance. From one celebration to another, from one winner to another, the first runner-up in this very category goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. Please put your hands together. I invite on stage Karan Nair, Senior Deputy Vice President, and Gandhar Kulkarni, Associate Data Scientist, to join us representing ICICI Lombard. Can we have a round of applause for our first runner-up? Fantastic, a massive feat indeed. With that, let's move forward to announcing the highest honor in this category, the winner of Best Use of AI in Insurance. And ladies and gentlemen, it goes to none other than Asseltree Software Private Limited. And invite on stage Mr. Sandeep Pillai, Senior Consultant representing Asseltree Software Private Limited. Can we have a round of applause for the team joining us emerging as the winner for best use of AI in insurance. Many congratulations on truly turning artificial intelligence into measurable value and stronger insurance outcomes for customers and the business. Yes, I would request you to take the center stage so we can get an excellent frame clicked together. Thank you so very much. With that, we also have the jury award in this very category as special recognition for exceptional innovation. And the jury award in this very category goes to Shriram Life Insurance Company. And I invite on stage Bhanu Pratap, Assistant Vice President, and Dr. Rahul More, Head Innovation, to join us on stage and receive the award. Can we have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Team Shriram Life Insurance Company joining us in bagging the special jury award for best use of AI in insurance. Congratulations once again. With that, we now move forward to the last category this evening, which is best use of AI in InsurTech. But before that, thank you to our presenters for joining us and doing the honors. We reached the final category this evening, where this award in this category celebrates an InsurTech organization using artificial intelligence to solve complex industry challenges, build scalable solutions, and reimagine the future of insurance. Before we do that, I'd like to invite our presenters back on stage, Mr. Gaurav Kumar, founder and CEO at Dorian Mode Technologies, to join us. I'd also like to invite on stage Mr. Kanksha Chaudhary, co-founder, Dorian Mode Technologies, because you're going to be the presenters for the last category this evening. All right, the stage is set to announce the second runner-up for best use of AI and in InsurTech, and it goes to none other than Team PezCare. Please put your hands together as we invite Chetan Paliwal, Vice President, and Shashwat Bharadwaj, Commercial Insurance Manager representing PezCare, to join us. Do we have the team of PezCare in room? Okay, all right, they're not here, so we'll move forward to the next award this evening, which is the first runner-up in this category. And it goes to none other than Team Riskovery. And I invite on stage Kan Thakuria, Senior Vice President, Partnerships, representing Riskovery, to join us on stage, emerging as the first runner-up. Do we have the team here? Yes, they're right here joining us on stage. Come on, everyone, let's give a round of applause. Let's keep the energy intact. Just a few more awards to go this evening. Congratulations to the team emerging as the first runner-up. Can we please have the award on stage? A milestone, I'm sure, that inspires each one of you in this room. A massive congratulations to the team. With that, we now move forward to announcing the highest honor in this category, the winner for best use of AI in InsurTech. And ladies and gentlemen, it goes to none other than Neural Cart. Please put your hands together as we invite on stage Manoj Raju, CEO, and Sri Gopal Gopisetti, Chief Operating Officer, representing Neural Cart, to join us and receive the award, emerging as our winner. Come on, everyone, where are the applauses? Let's give it up. Heartiest congratulations to the team on demonstrating the transformative potential of AI and, of course, setting an exciting new direction for the InsurTech ecosystems. Well, this is not the end, really, because we have the jury awards as well for this very category. We have two recipients in the jury awards. Our first recipient, put your hands together for Subverse AI. Do we have the team of Subverse AI in room? Okay, we'll move forward to our next recipient in this joint award, and it goes to Team CoverSure. So can we please have on stage Mr. Harshit Jain, co-founder, and Mr. Rohan Gaikwad, the founding member, to please join us on stage. Many congratulations on being recognized as the jury award recipients. I would request the winners to please stay back with us in this room, because we'd like to click an entire frame together with all the winners joining us on stage. All right, thank you so very much. Thank you to our presenters for doing the honors. Well, that was the last award this evening. But with that, ladies and gentlemen, before we close, I'd like to invite all the winners to please join us on stage because we'd like to click you all together in the same frame. Do not forget to get your trophies on stage as well. Can I invite all the winners to please quickly join us on stage from all the categories across because we need to click you all together in the same frame. Please get your awards on stage as well. In case if you've stepped out, if I'm audible there, I would request all our winners to again join us. Yes, may I please urge you all to quickly join us. Yeah. All the winners in this room, if you haven't joined us yet, please get your shining trophies and awards. And can we have one massive round of applause for all our achievers? Come on, everyone. Congratulations to all the awardees. Let's click a frame of excellence together. Yes, may I also please invite the team of Dorian Technologies to join us as well. Let's get you all clicked with all our awardees. Our award partners this evening, thank you so very much for your support. Thank you. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of you once again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close this evening, I invite back Mr. Samir Singh Jaini to share his address and thoughts with all of us.
I have very little to say. I think it has been a great day. Thank you for all the awardees who are applying, for all the judges who supported us and reviewed all cases. And I think I thoroughly enjoyed this whole day. I got to learn a lot from the speakers here, got to learn from a lot of you out there exhibitors. No speech, nothing. Thank you guys, and we'll be back with this again next year. There's also a Bharat FinTech Summit coming on 11th and 12th of February next year. Many of you would have attended, so that's the event which we are doing. Without that, outside that, we work with consulting. I've already told about it. We'll work together. Thank you guys, and have a good evening. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so very much to each one of you for joining us here and making this edition truly a massive success for all of us, to all our partners, delegates, to all our speakers who joined us here. Thank you once again for joining us in. Before we close, just a quick important announcement for all of you. I would request everyone please to join us outside in the pre-function area with your belongings as well, because we need to give a makeover to this room. So I would urge everyone to please join us outside in the pre-function area, because we need to give a quick makeover to the room in the next few minutes. So I would urge everyone to please join us outside, because that is where the conversations begin from there. So I would urge everyone to please join us outside there, and please vacate the room as early as possible. Like I said, we need to give a makeover to the room. Thank you once again for joining us in, and this is your host Priya Shumankar signing off.